Hey friends, I'm Mary Ellen and welcome to Life is Messy but I Am Learning as I Grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a plant-based recipe, crafting with Dollar Tree finds, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen and that's okay. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and having fun along the way. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. In today's YouTube video, we're diving into a fun and festive DIY that's perfect for the 4th of July, Memorial Day, or anytime you want to show off some red, white and blue spirit. We'll be making a patriotic windsock using a recycled coffee can. A great craft for kids but still totally fun for adults too. Whether you're decorating your porch, backyard or classroom, this simple project makes a charming addition to your holiday decor. So grab your supplies, get ready to get a little messy and let's create something together. You will need 1 coffee can empty, clean and label removed, sandpaper, acrylic paint, red, white and blue, star stencil or you can freehand the stars, red, white and blue ribbons, and tape. Start by cleaning your coffee can and removing the label. Make sure it's completely dry before moving on. Sand down your coffee can. This is make it easier for the paint to stick to the can. Paint the outside of the can using acrylic paint in any color you like. You can do stripes, solid colors or get creative with patterns. Add stars using a stencil or paint them on freehand. This gives it that extra patriotic flair. Let the paint dry completely before moving on to the next step. Attach a piece of ribbon to the top of the can to create a loop for hanging your windsock. Cut ribbons or streamers as a budget-friendly alternative into a variety of lengths. This will give your windsock movement and charm. Attach the ribbons to the inside bottom edge of the coffee can using tape. Let them hang down like streamers in the wind. Originally I was using hot glue but I burnt my finger doing it and discovered tape is easier especially for kids. And there you have it, your very own red, white and blue windsock. Whether you hang it outside to dance in the summer breeze or use it as festive decor for the 4th of July or Memorial Day, this simple DIY adds a handmade, patriotic touch that's fun for all ages. In life's messes we learn and grow. It's not about perfection, it's about the therapeutic process of creating. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. You'll find a link to the written instructions in the description. Keep learning, keep growing and I'll see you next time.